Hey guys, Rich Outdoors here. Hope you've had a great year and a great Christmas. Today I'm going to be putting a dog-proof coon trap in the ground. The neighbors have been complaining about raccoons getting into our barn. I know it's pretty much impossible to see past all these trees here, but about 100 yards this way there's a barn, and there's a nice game trail along the little creek bottom on the back side here. I'm going to go just above this little creek bottom on this hill here because the wind generally blows in this direction. Things should be downwind. They'll be able to smell it, hopefully come up and investigate this dog-proof coon trap, and maybe we'll get a raccoon in one. We're going to have to start with the basics here. Got your dog-proof coon trap. Got this one from Raccoon, and no, they are not paying me to advertise their product. So this one's powder coated. It's a Duke brand. It being powder coated, I don't even think you have to wax it. So we're not going to wax it. We're just going to put it right into the ground and see if it works for us. So dog-proof coon trap, got your chain to your ground anchor. I'm going to take my rod, put it on this anchor here, and drive it into the ground. So I'm not going to be too specific on this area. I think we're going to have really good luck no matter what. So I'm going to drive it to the ground right here. Should be good. I'm going to go ahead and pull on it and set it. Now that the trap's anchored into the ground, we'll go ahead and set the trap. On this one, all you have to do is push in on this. Your hands. Take that little guy. And it catches just like that. See, as they put their hand right in there, it's going to hit that trigger. It's going to latch right onto them. So now I'm just going to take the trap and push it right into the ground. Kind of pull it tight in either direction. Push it right into the ground. Just like so. I'll go ahead and take some leaves and cover up the chain just to try to give me the best chance possible. And then if you've seen any of my old videos, you know that I like to use licorice. So raccoons like anything sweet, marshmallows, anything like that. I mean, trail mix, cereal. I've had great luck with licorice. So I'm going to take this licorice. I'm going to simply put a couple, maybe, I don't know, 2 or 3 pieces inside of it. And then I will take 3 or 4 pieces and kind of make a trail up to the trap from where I think they're coming from, which is this little creek bottom. So I'm just going to throw a couple pieces this way. You don't have to be too particular. And you're all set. In some of my past videos, I've had golf balls and put on top of the trap. If you take a golf ball and put it on top of the trap, it can keep birds and mice and stuff like that from getting into the trap and eating your bait. It also helps as a kind of an attractant to the raccoon. They see a nice, white or yellow shiny golf ball, they may be attracted to the look of that set. Might come in just because they see the golf ball and not necessarily because just the food. So there you guys have it. That's all there really is to it. I just have a hammer, my rod, and the watermelon licorice. Other than that, you got your trap and it's in the ground. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry for being so far behind on content. It's been a very busy year. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button right below here. Subscribe to the channel. I plan on putting out a lot more content for you guys to enjoy. So like I said, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And as I post videos, hopefully you guys can see them on your feed and continue to watch my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Hey guys, Rich Outdoors here. It is the very next day, and we already have a critter in the trap. So let's check him out. Looks like the trap's been doing its job. Looks like we got a Ricky here. We've been running in circles quite a bit since yesterday. So now I got a good hold on them. Good looking coon. Get them taken care of and I'll get the trap reset. Got that coon taken care of. Went ahead and reset the trap, put it back in the ground. So I'll flip the camera around and show you guys what we're working with. Pretty much the exact setup as last time. So here's the Duke dog-proof coon trap. Staked it in the ground, went ahead and covered up the chain. So I'm gonna go ahead, take my watermelon licorice here, drop a few in the trap. And by few, I mean 4 or 5, I suppose. Make sure they got below the trigger there, which they've made it around the trigger. So that coon's gonna have to work all the way around that trigger to get them. Obviously gives you a lot better chance of catching them. Then the remnant pieces I have, like I said, where I think they're coming from, which is downwind, I'm just gonna throw them a little line. That's all there is to it. Like I said, I don't have a golf ball for attraction, but I plan on finding one for attraction and just due to the fact it keeps birds and mice out of my set. So there you guys have it. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel, Ridge Outdoors. If you guys enjoyed this content, please make sure you hit that thumbs up button as well as subscribe to my channel so you can check out my future content. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.